Central tendency. Today we will see the skewness, means degree of symmetry of the given data. Skewness signifies the departure from the symmetry. This is the symmetry line. If we plot the data on the graph, so this is the plotting of data. This is the left side of the data and this is the right side. So more data is here, so it is called as a left skewed data. And if we again plot the data on the graph and more data is on the right side, then that graph is called as a right skewed data. This is the skewness of data. Now second point is a kurtosis. Kurtosis means it is a thickness of the data. So first one is, if we plot the graph like this, this is a less peaked, so data is not having more peak, so it is a less peak data. Okay, now here beta 2 is less than 3. What is the beta 2? It is the coefficient of, now here beta 2 is a coefficient of kurtosis. Okay, so this such type of plotting of graph is called as a platykurtic. So platy, P-L-A-T-Y, platykurtic. So first type of kurtosis is a platykurtic if the less peak is there and beta 2 is less than 3. Second one is if we plot the graph of given data and there is a more peakness, so more peak is there, then such type of graph is called as a leptokurtic. More peakness is there and beta 2 coefficient of kurtosis is greater than 3. Third one is if we plot the graph of given data and it is neither peak nor flat, such type of graph is called as a mesokurtic and beta 2 coefficient of kurtosis equal to 3. So this is the main part in this central tendency, skewness, kurtosis. So from the skewness we can get the degree of symmetry of the given data from the which signifies, skewness signifies the departure from the symmetry. If more data is on the left side, then it is called as a left skewed data. On right hand side more data is there, then it is called as a right skewed data. Then kurtosis. What kurtosis gives? Peakness of the data. If we plot the graph and it is a neither, means less peak data is there, so means it is a flat type of and less peak is there, so beta 2 is less than 3, it is called as a platykurtic, P-L-A-T-Y K-U-R-T-I-C, platykurtic. Second one is a more peakness is there, then it is called as a leptokurtic. Beta 2 is greater than 3. Then neither peaked nor flat. So if such type of graph is there, then it is called as a mesokurtic, beta 2 equal to 3. So we use this while solving examples on the central tendency. Thank you for watching.